If your Arlo SmartHub is flashing this annoying orange light, your entire security system is down. But before you start unplugging things, you need to read the code. This light is telling you exactly what's wrong. First, look closely. Is it a slow blink? A steady on and off? That means network error. Your hub cannot find the internet. It's lost. Or is it a fast blink? That usually means a sync failure with a camera or a thermal shutdown. We are going to fix both. Let's start with the slow blink, the network error. 90% of the time, this is a physical issue. Check the Ethernet cable connecting your hub to your router. Don't just look at the hub, follow that cable to your router. Is the port light active? If the port on your router is dark, the cable is dead. Swap it out. Also, move the hub away. If your Arlo Hub is sitting directly on top of your Wi-Fi router, the signals can scream over each other. Give them at least 2 feet of separation. If the cable is good, we need to force a handshake. Devices get stubborn about IP addresses. Unplug the power from your Arlo Hub. Now, leave the hub unplugged. Go to your modem and router. Reboot them. Wait for them to fully come back online. All green lights. Now plug in the Arlo Hub. This forces the router to see the hub as a new request and assign it a fresh address. Watch for the light to turn blue. Still blinking orange? Your configuration file is corrupted. We need the nuclear fix. Crucial step. Open your Arlo app and remove the device first. Don't skip this. Now, grab a paperclip. Find the tiny reset or sync pinhole on the back. Hold it down. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Keep holding until the light flashes amber rapidly. That is the signal. The hub is wiping itself. Let go and let it reboot. Once it settles, open your app and add new device. It will treat your hub like it just came out of the box. You are looking for this solid blue light. That means you are secure. If this video got your cameras back online, please subscribe. It helps me make more fixes. Check the description for the exact reset times for your specific model. See you in the next one.